Hello everybody, it's Stephen again, and I prepared a video for you regarding 7K, which is going to come after this video. There were some things that I left out, so I thought I would do a second video, which will be your first video you'll see. That's going to bring you up to the second video that I prepared. So in your email that you normally get when we're doing trainings, we have some links in them. You're going to see this link here. This link is going to direct you to the site where you can get the funnel that we talked about, the actual website to promote 7K. So simply put, you can click here. I'm just going to go through the motions so that you can see. And this is what's going to come up. So what you want to do, you can look at the video and everything, but you can just go in to get started. And it's going to ask you which one of the plans do you want. And you want to pick basic free to get started. And these are the benefits you'll get with that. But basically you want to pick basic free to get started. You click on get started. And then you want to fill out this information here. Once you fill out this information, you will come to the site that I am talking about in the second video after this. I'm not going to log in. I'm just showing you how to get to that point. Now, there's something else I left out too. In the video after this, I talked about how the training that you're going to be receiving, I pointed it out. I navigated to it so you can find it. I talked about the training that you're going to be receiving is going to be talking about the sales funnel that you're going to have for yourself to promote your 7K. But that training is also going to talk a lot about 7K, and I did leave that part out. So I have a flow chart I want to show you so that you have an idea of what training is going to be available to you. So the first lesson is going to be a welcome. So you want to watch this first. The second step, these are all in steps. The second step is going to have modules. It'll be an onboarding setup, 7K back office tour, profile setup, sound money wallet setup, activation autosaver. Now, in the training that I have been providing on Fridays, we've gone over this. We've talked about where you can find this quickly. I built a actual PDF that has a tree that you can simply click on the branches and I'll get you the video relating to this. But nevertheless, it's here and it's probably more thoroughly explained. So you can go through those steps here. Step 3 is the hidden secrets of money, my breakthrough. So these are various episodes about money, what's happening to the money, how money got started, those things. The type of information that you may be asked should you encounter someone that has questions regarding money to really help you to direct people to gold and silver. Good information to know. And I've also gone over some of this in some of the training, but mostly in my podcast. Step 4, buying gold and silver. So you're going to go, it's going to direct you to the buyer certificate guide. It's not going to go through the actual training of that, but it's going to direct you to that. It's going to talk a little bit about it. The auto saver program, coin drops, stack and sell, what that is. Many of you may not be aware of that, but that's a platform that we actually place our coins on so that people, well, all of us and people can see the value. It'll let you know your current value. It'll let you know how it's appreciating. It'll compare to other coins. You'll see a lot of coins have really gone up very quickly in value. So that's what this is for. Buying at dealer direct pricing. It'll show you how to do that. As you go to step 5, it'll talk about building your 7K business. And this is a lot of these things lead up to this. How much can you earn? Your 7K share link. So that is the link you would pass on to someone else so that they can sign up under you. It'll talk about that, where to find that. 7K Associates Training, how to become an associate. And that is the first level to start helping you qualify to receive $500 a week. Then you go to step 6, WAP, that's Wealth Autopilot. This is talking about the actual funnel that you'll be getting, how you can activate it, which in the video after this, is going to direct you to the videos to set up your funnel, your Wealth Autopilot funnel. Again, talking about the perfect setup. 7, become an associate, is going to go into the trifecta effect, the mission method. Let's talk about marketing. Make this a little bigger. And look over the shoulder, watch me become an associate. So that is actually some nice training that you'll have. Step 8, and let me just bring this down. So here in step 8, becoming copper. Now you don't have to go through this at this point right away, all of these, because the goal is to become an associate. And basically, you should be able to become an associate. It's going to show you how you could actually become an associate within a day, how easy that could be. Once you've done that, then you want to focus on becoming a copper, the roadmap to copper, becoming bronze, becoming silver, becoming gold. You'll see more of that here. Becoming gold, becoming executive gold, and becoming presidential gold. So that is what is entailed in that training that you're going to receive, along with getting the sales funnel or getting the Wealth Autopilot system, which is right here. So I just wanted you to know that, because I didn't mention that in the second video that you're going to see after this. So hopefully this will help clear up some things or questions that you may have had about what you're getting. And this is all for free. Okay, thank you so much for listening.